Realme smartphone family recently saw the addition of Narzo series. There are two phones under this series. One is Narzo 10 and another is Narzo 10A. The Narzo 10A is exactly the same shape and size as the Realme C3, and in fact, it is slimmer than the Narzo 10. Realme added a gigantic logo at the back panel of the phone. Some of them may not like that. This phone has only one RAM variant, that is 3GB RAM and 32GB internal memory. That's a 5000 mAh battery, but quick charging is not supported beyond 10 watt. Wired reverse charging is available, for which you will need a USB OTG adapter. We had no major issues when using the Realme Narzo 10A over the course of several days. The UI was generally smooth and fluid enough for day-to-day tasks. We experienced some slutters when launching heavy apps and even the scrolling through our photo album. Switching between apps wasn't always very quick, but that to be expected. As for gaming, which is one of the Realme selling point for this price, we had a decent enough experience. Here's the footage of playing PUBG in Narzo 10A. PUBG Mobile ran relatively well at the high graphics preset through we found that gameplay was smoother with the quality turned down a bit. The rear of the phone got only mildly warm after 2 hours of playing PUBG. Coming to the display, we have 6.5 HD screen, which is perfectly adequate for this price and our level of expectations in terms of brightness, sharpness and color reproduction. You get only wideband L3 DRM support for lower than HD video streaming quality. The Narzo 10A has 12 MP of primary camera and 2 MP of depth sensor, as same as Realme C3. The big change is the addition of a 2 MP macro camera. This is not necessary because of low resolution, but it can be fun to play around with. As for video resolution, you will get 1080 and 720 pixel with 30 fps. Here are some photo and video samples of Realme Narzo 10A. The fingerprint sensor and face unlock both worked quickly and seamlessly. Realme has done a good job with Narzo 10A considering its price of just Rs 8500. It is quite powerful considering its price and has no major features missing. Battery life is excellent, the cameras are serviceable, the display is big and the overall look is quite sleek. If you don't need a fingerprint sensor or macro camera, then by all means save 500 rupees and go for the base variant of Realme C3 instead. On the other hand, the C3 with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage costs just 500 rupees more than Realme Narzo 10A. But you will lose the Narzo 10A's 2 additional features. If you like to buy this product, there is a link in this video's description. For further updates, don't forget to subscribe below.